How to choose high-paying affiliate offers for beginners. It's one of the most important steps in affiliate marketing because the right offer can make the difference between struggling for small commissions and earning consistent daily sales. Inside the Affiliate Automation Academy, you get a complete framework for picking offers that actually convert. The training shows you how to look beyond flashy sales page and focus on what really matters. Evergreen niches where demand never dies out, like health, wealth, and lifestyle, so your content doesn't lose traction after a trend fades. High payout offers that give you a solid commission for every sale, sometimes $500 or even $1,000 per transaction. Data-driven filters like EPCs, conversion rates, and refund risk, so you know exactly which offers are worth your time. A step-by-step process for checking affiliate networks, comparing products, and making sure you're promoting something with proven demand. This isn't guesswork. The program gives you a clear offer picking checklist that takes out the confusion and makes sure you're stacking the ads in your favor right from the start. If you want to learn the system and see how to set up your affiliate business step by step, click the link in the description to join the Affiliate Automation Academy through my link and unlock exclusive bonuses. When you know how to choose the right affiliate offers, everything else, your content, your traffic, and your conversions work so much smoother.